Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have had so many requests for my messy bun. I always just love a messy bun. I think they're so practical, they're so quick, you know, you feel like all your hair's off you. So I wanted to show you guys how I've been doing it. So I have two styles of messy bun I'm going to show you today. Now obviously I do have extensions in, but just bear in mind you can do the same with natural hair. You can also use clip-in extensions as well, so you can sort of mix it up depending on that. I just used YouTube videos to show me how to turn my ponytail into an extension ponytail and then literally just follow the steps. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it and let's just jump straight in. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is brush our hair. As you can see, my hair is a complete mess today. It literally is like third, fourth day hair and it's been in a bun, so it's a little bit crazy, so we need to brush it through. And I just like to brush it all back and then take this Morrocanoil cream and basically put this all through my hair. And this just smooths it, it makes it easier to actually stick back and also just makes it look really shiny as well. Then we're going to flip our head over, and I actually just like to stand up to do this because I find it so much easier. Gather all the hair together and then you can go in and actually use your brush to get it all together and make sure it's nice and high. You want this right on the top of your head. And then what we're going to do is just tie this into a tight ponytail, and again just make sure it's really tight and secure as well. Then you'll end up with this really high ponytail, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and just do a little bit of back comb. You can do as much of this as your hair needs. Where mine's a little bit damaged, it doesn't need too much of it, but we're just going to back comb it to give it a little bit of texture. And then what you want to do is twist this and basically wrap it round itself, so you can see here. And then I literally just secure this with a couple of bobby pins to keep it in place. If you've got thicker hair, you may need to put a hairband over it. And then I just like to pull some little bits out of the side, make it look a little bit messy, pull it out the top so it's not too neat. And then it's really just a case of fiddling around with it until you're happy with the shape. It ends up different for me every time, but then I just bobby pin it. And yeah, that's it for this bun. So this one is my messy bun. So again, just the same thing, we're going to make sure we get it all into a nice sleek ponytail. But what you're going to do is you're actually going to wrap the hair round, as you can see. So you're not actually ponytailing it, you're kind of pulling it into a ponytail and then putting the ends in. And then I like to just take a clip and pull it back. And again, this just holds it in place because when you have a bun that is this messy, it tends to just fall apart. It doesn't really stay. So I put it into place with a clip and then I will just bobby pin again just until it looks how I want it. And that is literally it. And basically I like to take some more of this Morrocanoil cream and again just put everything into place. Don't do what I did and just throw it all over your face because it's not a good look. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you like these buns, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Someday